How to make money on Freelancer with digital marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So first of all, I'm going to explain the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform who are looking for freelancers like you who are skilled in some certain skills like digital marketing to hire them for a job or a project or a gig for their company or their own businesses. So for example, if I was a business owner looking for a digital marketer, I will just come to the platform, click on hire freelancers and go with hire by skill. And here I'm going to search for the one I'm searching for, the skill I'm looking for. So in my case, I'm looking for a digital marketer. So here we have social media marketing specialists or other internet marketing specialists. Let's go with internet marketing specialists. And I just want to show you what I'm going to teach you in today's video. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like those people who are showcasing their skills in marketing or in digital marketing. And by creating your own profile, you will be able to appear to the business owners or the visitors of the platform. They will be able to see your description, see how much you're getting paid per hour, and also they will be able to hire you. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile in the platform. So let's go back to the main page, and here click on earn money freelancing, and you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password, then login. And this is your dashboard after logging in. Here, this is your dashboard where you can see everything about your profile. By clicking on here, you can view your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights, your balance. You can add funds, withdraw. Here you can withdraw funds. You can see your transaction history, financial dashboard, and the payment sharing as well. So here let's go to view our profile. And here you're going to see that my profile is empty. So make sure to fill your profile with your information. Make sure to verify all of these things, your identity, your payment, phone, email, and Facebook. Make sure to connect it as well. And by scrolling down, you will see that your portfolio is also empty. So make sure to fill this as well. Same thing with your experience, add experience in here, and add education and qualification, also publications. All of these things makes you look legit in the visitors or the business owners' eyes. So here you can change your skill as well in here. So let's change the skill to digital marketing. Let's search in here, digital marketing. And here we have 29 jobs. So let's choose digital marketing to be our skill, and let's remove copywriting. So you can choose from 1 to 20 skills. In here you can choose to 20 skills. So for me, I'm just going to choose one, and here I think I didn't click save. Yes, I didn't click on save. Let's choose digital marketing. digital marketing, and here click on save, and your skill will be saved. After choosing your skill, go to the browsing here and click on projects to find jobs that are related to your skill. Let's remove photography and let's go with digital marketing, and here you'll be able to see all of the posted jobs that are looking for a digital marketer. So this one is looking for a VSL content specialist. Job description, we are looking for a VSL content specialist to join our dynamic team. In this role, you will be responsible for analyzing video sales letters and driving actionable insights and strategies to improve client engagement and retention rates. Your work will directly contribute to the development of our AI-driven VSL analysis tool, helping our clients. So you can read all of the jobs description in here. You can check the how much you'll get paid. So here you have $77. So don't go with the number written in front of you. Before taking that, click on the number or just put your cursor on it and you'll be able to see the actual price in dollars. So this one is in another currency. Let's check another job. So here we have this one, which is $153. I need the landing page and all the marketing strategy for offer custom development of mobiles apps around the world. So here, this is all the jobs that are posted in here, looking for freelancers to apply for them. So if the job suits you and the price suits you also, you can apply for the jobs. You can just click on the job like this. Then you can check if the job suits you. Then proceed by scrolling down. And here, this is where you're going to apply. But first, you will need to verify your email in order to be able to apply for the job. And by scrolling down, you will see if there is any messages or any comments. So this job has no comments. And I think, guys, you get the idea. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.